Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about constituency to prepare my project first of syntax. So let's begin. The first part is about the constituent linguistic, the second definition, the third constituent types, and the fourth is constituent structure. Okay. For constituent linguistic, within linguistics, a constituent is a unit of language that exists within a larger sentence. Constituents are a vital part of syntax, and each constituent must follow the general rules of syntax. When we analyze the syntax of a sentence, we conduct a process called parsing, which involves breaking a sentence down into its constituents. The next is definition. Constituents are the units of language. They work together to build a sentence. Morphemes, phrases, and clauses. The vital constituent within the sentence are the subject and its predicate. The subject is who or what the sentence is about, and a predicate is the part of the sentence that adds detail or information to the subject. They usually contain a verb. Um, Larger constituents can be further broken down into their own constituents. This means each sentence can contain multiple different constituents. Now, we move to constituent types. The first type is morphemes. Morphemes are the smallest unit of lexical units. They can be free or can stand alone or both cannot stand alone. In simple terms, free morphemes are individual words that cannot be broken down further. Cat, he, laptop, etc. And bond morphemes are the affixes we attach to them, such as quickly, unfinished, houses, and etc. For example, he took my bag. Here, the free morphem he is the subject of the sentence and a valid constituent. As bond morphemes cannot stand alone, they cannot be constituent on their own. Okay, the second type is phrases. Phrases are constituents that contain a group of words that act as a particular word class. A noun phrase works as a noun. Phrases can be categorized into noun phrases, verb phrases, prepositional phrases, adverb phrases, and adjective phrases. An example of phrases is, it was a very big cat. A very big cat is the noun phrase. The phrase contains the main noun plus all the words that modify it. Very big is an adjective phrase within the noun phrase. They are both constituents within the sentence. The last type is clauses. A clause is a constituent that contains a subject and a predicate. There are two types of clauses. It is independent and dependent. Independent clauses can stand alone, while dependent clauses must be connected to independent clauses to get their meaning. For example, because he was hungry, Klein went to get pizza. In this example, we can see two separate clause constituents. The dependent clause is because he was hungry, and the independent clause is Klein went to get pizza. Now we have a good understanding of the elements of constituents. Let's take a closer look at how they are structured. Constituent structure. The term constituent structure describes the grammatical structure, the sentence, and how small constituents combine to form larger constituents. For example, Morphemes combine to form phrases, and phrases combine to form additional phrases and clauses. Additionally, each sentence will typically contain two main constituents, subject and the predicate. Subjects are often nouns or noun phrases, and predicates are often verbs phrases. However, this isn't always the case. And now we are moved to part 2. The first sentence is Aldi went to the cinema last week. Can the top level component of the structure representing the whole sentence. Noun phrase is the subject of the sentence, and noun is Aldi, and the verb is went, and verb phrase is the predicate of the sentence, which includes the verb and any objects or complements. The verb is when. When is the main verb of the sentence. And the preposition phrase, the phrase that includes the preposition and its object. Preposition is to. Noun phrase, the object of the preposition. The determiner is the article modifying in cinema, and the noun is cinema, object of the preposition to. And the adverb phrase, the phrase indicating time, modifying the verb when. Adverb is last week, indicating when the action took place. Okay. The second sentence is the first runner won a gold medal at the Olympics. The sentence is spoken into noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase is the faster runner. The determiner is the, and the adjective is faster, and the noun is runner. For verb phrase is won a gold medal at the Olympic. Verb is won. The noun phrase is a gold medal. The determiner is a, and for adjective is gold. The noun is medal. And then preposition phrase is at the Olympic. Preposition is at. Noun phrase, the determiner. And the noun phrase is the Olympic. The determiner is the, and noun is Olympic. The next is the old and big tree stood in the hurricane. Sentence is spoken into noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase is the old and big tree. The determiner is the adjective phrase. The adjective is old. The conjunction is an, and the adjective is big. The noun is tree. And verb phrase in swept in the hurricane. The verb is swept. Preposition phrase is in the hurricane. And preposition is in. And the noun phrase is determiner, the, and noun is hurricane. In the fourth sentence, the youngest sister threw the doll in the purse. The sentence is spoken into noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase is the youngest sister. The determiner is the, and the adjective youngest, the noun is sister. Verb phrase is put the doll in the purse. The verb is put. Noun phrase is the doll, and the determiner, the noun is doll. Then preposition phrase is in the pursuit. Preposition is in, the determiner the, and the noun is pursue. And the last sentence, the big crow saw Eliezer with a lovable panda recently. The sentence is broken into noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase is the big crow, and the determiner is the adjective is big, noun is crow. Verb phrase, there are verb. The verb is so, and noun phrase is Eliezer. Preposition phrase is with a lovable panda, and the adjective, no, sorry, the preposition is with noun phrase is determined as a, adjective is lovable, and the noun is panda. And for adjective, uh, sorry, I mean adverb is recently. So this is the last sentence, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.